NeilMed Eustachi Tube is marketed as a simple device that opens your eustachian tubes to relieve ear pressure and blockage. But the real question is whether it actually works or just feels like it should. Now, the idea behind this isn't hype. The device is based on the Valsalva maneuver, a real technique used to equalize ear pressure by sending air into the eustachian tubes. However, here's the key point. It can help, but only for specific types of ear problems. What it actually does well, helps with pressure-related blockage. It can be effective for issues like airplane ear-mild eustachian tube dysfunction pressure buildup from colds. By delivering controlled air, it helps open the eustachian tubes. Non-invasive and drug-free. No medication needed, just mechanical pressure equalization. Easy to use at home. More controlled than manually blowing your nose, where it falls short. Not for all types of ear blockage. It won't help if the issue is earwax buildup, infection, fluid trapped behind the eardrum. Results vary. Some people feel immediate relief. Others feel little to no difference. Temporary relief. Even when it works, the effect may not last if the underlying issue remains. Requires correct technique. If used incorrectly, it may not work or feel uncomfortable. So, does it clear blocked ears? Short answer. Yes, for pressure-related issues, but not everything. Works for pressure imbalance and mild dysfunction that doesn't fix wax, infections, or serious conditions. Bottom line, NeilMed Eustachi Tube is a legitimate, medically grounded device, not a gimmick. It can be genuinely helpful if your ear blockage is caused by pressure issues. But it's not a universal solution, and expectations need to match the cause of the problem. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it's better to check with a medical professional rather than relying on devices alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.